Ramadan Kareem to everyone. My name is Victor. I work with Al-Futem. My first question, I have few questions to ask. Who is God?
Brother asked the question, who is God? And this is the same question that was asked by the Christians to Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And he was, what should I answer? We can keep on speaking about God. Then the revelation came. Surah Ikhlas, chapter number 112, verse number 1 to 4. Kul huwa Allahu ahad. Say He's Allah one and only. Allahu samad. Allah the absolute and eternal. Lam yalid walam yulad. He begets not, nor is begotten. Walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. There's nothing like Him. This is a four-line definition of Almighty God given in the Quran. Any candidate you say is Almighty God, if that candidate fits in this four-line definition, we Muslims have got no objection in accepting that candidate as God. The first is Kul huwa Allahu ahad. Say He's Allah one and only. Number two, Allahu samad. Allah the absolute and eternal. Lam yalid walam yulad. He begets not, nor is he begotten. Walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. There's nothing like Him. This is the four-line definition of Almighty God. Whoever you worship and say is God, if he fits in this four-line definition, we Muslims have got no objection in accepting that person as God. Hope that answers the question.
Okay, if I do say God is a strength, for instance, I give an example just to explain to my point. If it's raining, just leave aside the scientific way of rain, how it comes. The rain, how it forms, and how it rains, and how it ends. Can I just say that's God? Just leave aside the scientific way.
Brother, I said that if I just say how it rains, leave aside scientific, if I say that is God, is it correct? No, it's not correct. It goes against the definition of God I gave you. What you can say, it is from God, min Allah, no problem. Okay. But you can't say that is God. Rain is not God. Is He one? No. Begets not. It contradicts most of the definition of Surah Ikhlas. What you can say, it is from God, min Allah, no problem. Hope that answers the question.
Okay.
We'll just allow some